Alright, folks. So what's going on here? Let me take my hat off. I'm wearing my meta glasses, so you guys can see my point of view, but you know, it be tripping sometimes. Alright, so what's going on here is that oil is leaking, fluid is leaking from the transmission. Alright, so but the reason why that is because the gasket, I didn't use another gasket when I took the oil out, and the reason why I took the oil out is because I was changing a couple of things within the transmission. I forgot the name of it. I'm not a mechanic, by the way. I just try to do stuff on my own, because taking it to the mechanic could cost you an arm and a leg. I don't like that, so I try to do the things that I can do. I try to do it on my own, you know what I mean, on my own time. So right now, I just finished coming back from Advanced Auto, and I got the gasket right here. And we're gonna install it. Okay? We're gonna install this right inside here. So this is a 10 millimeter, and we're gonna start taking it off now. I might just end up, yeah, because I'm gonna take long. It's gonna take long doing it like this, so I'm gonna go ahead and advance the video, fast forward it, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Oh, by the way, this is a 2011 Mazda 2011 Mazda 3 Touring. Okay. One of the biggest issues this car was having is that when you would change gears, it would change gears really harsh, and when you basically put the pedals to the metal, it will not advance. It will advance very slowly, and my brother has been complaining about that a lot. So, and look, it's been leaking a lot, and there's really no oil in there, no fluid. And that's the issue. There's no fluid in there at all, basically. So we're about to fix that. Guys, again, if you don't know what you're doing, if you don't feel comfortable, you don't have to do it yourself. You can always go to a mechanic or consult with somebody who knows what they're doing, a specialist. Because I know how it feels like, go into a little project not knowing what you're doing. But at this point, I'm used to it. I like the unknown. So we're gonna let that leak out a little bit. Well, in the meantime, we're gonna scrape this off, though, the old gasket stuff. Okay. I got this tool right here. I don't know what it's called. Soft grip something with a mirror finish. Yeah, right. This is old. So all we're gonna do, scrape this stuff off. It's very windy. I don't know if you guys hear me very well, but it's very windy today. It's gonna rain soon. Pour that all in there. Now, hopefully you guys see this. We'll put this joint back. I already put the gasket right there. I lined it up. And time to put it right back in there. Just like that. Oh, shit. I need better tools, guys. This takes forever. Let's open in the corner. Let the gasket move around. Okay, time to put the automatic transmission oil in there. Remember that color that we got out, right? It was black. Look how it's supposed to look like.